usapan natin.
The computer, the authentication, sir, part.
Nga, iba yung hacking eh. Yung pinag-uusapan natin, forensic.
The defense said that this is your affidavit, dated February 10, without showing any document to
I'm
the
asking,
witness.
sir,
How could the witness answer to a question that is not accompanied with a document? That should be the basis for the question and the
and
answer,
this
Your
is
Honors.
your affidavit. I will reform, Your Honor.
Kindly reform, counsel.
Thank you, Your Honor. This is your affidavit dated February 10, 2024, correct? Please check. Sorry, sir.
Your Honor, can I make a manifestation, Your Honor, please?
Your Honor, can we object again to this manifestation?
Manifestation. I will not even object. I'm being generous. Your Honor,
Counsel,
the
let's wait for the witness to review it. It's a voluminous document. And the signature is on the last page. You can make the corresponding objection to
signature.
the style, manner, or cross-examination of the counsel for respondent at the proper time.
Booth. Makakabanding nyo rin po ang DZMM anchor. O sigurado, DZMM.
Is this the amended affidavit?
Of the
Yes, sir.
affidavit, sir.
This is the amended one.
Yes,
yes,
sir. The photocopy, sir.
Thank you.
With the permission of counsel, Mr. Calilong, what was the date of the first affidavit you submitted that was returned by the DOJ to the NBI?
As far as I remember, January 30, and was when the certification was issued, we complied with the requirements and submitted it on February 10.
Have you
there's an issue.
identified that affidavit of investigation dated January 30 in yesterday's proceedings? No. Yes or no?
Sir?
Have you identified the January 30?
The one that I identified, Your Honor, is the authentication, Your Honor.
Not the affidavit of investigation. So you have not done so.
Yes, sir.
This one, you have not done so too.
Yes, Your Honor.
For the record, counsel, you may proceed.
I'm showing you now a letter dated January 30 from the former NBI Director Jaime Santiago.
Now, I have to object, Your Honor, please. You know, the defense has been confronting this witness with documents, even without marking and identifying the source of these documents.
Your
It's
Honor,
like
that's-
plucking out of thin air a document, presenting them the document to the witness, and withdrawing the document
Your Honor, that's up
without
to the...
even introducing this piece of evidence, this piece of exhibits into evidence. So my question is, through the presiding officer, is the defense not entering these documents into evidence, Your Honor, please?
They can do so at the proper time, counsel, but insofar as the witness is concerned, I think the basis was laid when he said that he executed only one affidavit of investigation in connection with this case. Now it seems that there are two affidavits,
I would like to make
both of which have not yet been presented. One will be presented, I think, by Attorney Lotok.
Your Honor, for
but
the
first
record-
one, we're not aware of it. Is that correct, counsel, for the respondent?
Your Honor, he just identified a copy of the affidavit of investigation.
Dated January 30?
April 10, 2025.
April,
February
February
10.
10.
Sorry, Your Honor. February 10.
February 10, Your Honor, please.
What about the first affidavit? The witness said he had a first affidavit.
Yes, Your Honor. Not yet.
Not yet.
Yes.
You only cited a January 30 letter of
Yes,
the
Your Honor.
former NBI
I cited, Your Honor, a
Director.
certification by the DOJ returning an affidavit.
And that is now the problem, Your Honor. In fact, even I am confused because the documents are not introduced into evidence by the defense.
counsel. Please,
As an-
please proceed and kindly help the court to be
Thank
clarified
you.
regarding this matter.
You mentioned that that you were aware that the then director, retired Judge B. Santiago, wrote to the office of the Prosecutor General submitting a revised affidavit of investigation on February 11, 2025.
Was labeled annexes.
I'm showing you now that
And then when it was pre-marked, iba na yung marking.
That is
letter
correct.
dated February
So,
11,
to clarify,
2025.
I'm not asking both the prosecution and defense to give us any documents
For the record,
in
this is
advance that will
Exhibit
prejudice their
D-4-43.
presentation. or the rebuttal.
For the
I do
defense.
understand that it has
For
to
the
be offered,
defense,
but
you mean
to speed
pre-marked?
things up and to
Pre-marked.
make sure we understand.
Because when you
in the
say
same manner that they're
marked
asking the
as
witness to
evidence
examine
for
it, maybe we can be given a
pre-marked
copy
offense,
to.
it's not yet. Your turn has.
This is your affidavit of
You have
transmission.
yet to present the your exhibit, so it should be pre-marked, Your Honor, please.
No, it's pre-marked, and I believe
Yes, sir, this is
both the defense and the respondent and the prosecution also have common pieces of evidence which you decided during pre-trial. This is not one of them,
Yes, sir.
which you decided during pre-trial to be marked.
Okay, so
It's
despite
not one of
considering
those
these parts,
few
the
common
aforesaid
pieces of
videos,
evidence.
Yes, there are a
the
few.
NBI still recommended Sir, the filing of
Please proceed,
complaints
counsel, for the
for
respondent.
grave threats
Witness may answer.
there is a signature
Uh,
and inciting to
above the
sedition
name Judge
only
Jaime B.
against Vice
Santiago.
President.
Whose signature is that?
Yes.
Your Honor, now I
May
would
one
like to
if I may
object to the
answer, sir.
relevance.
No, sir. Yes.
A letter is being, the witness is being confronted with a letter coming from the former NBI Director, Judge
There's a
Jaime B.
reason
Santiago,
why-
and this
Sir,
witness is now being asked to identify whose signature is that. That's obvious.
I'll allow it conditionally if you can show the relevance insofar as your ability to test the credibility and the accuracy of the witness is concerned. In the meantime, I'll allow it. Kindly show the connection, counsel.
Thank you. Considering these parts of the videos shown
Sir,
to you, the
whose signature is
NBI
this?
still recommended the filing of complaint for grave threats and inciting to sedition against only the Vice President.
Yes, sir. As far as I remember, signature of Director Santiago, sir.
Thank you.
The revised affidavit of investigation.
On the
dated
last line of the
February
letter, on
10,
the
2025,
fourth page, sir.
In page 15,
Please take a
paragraph
look.
40 thereof, it is
Last line.
stated there, and I
It
quote,
says, and I quote,
unanimously
to support
believe
our
that Vice
recommendations
President
attached
Duterte
herein
may be
is the
held
revised
liable for grave
affidavit
threats
of investigation,
defined-
including its attachments. Did you see that, Agent?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. And you confirm that the former NBI Director, Jaime Santiago, wrote to the Prosecutor General, Richard Anthony Di Fadolion, a letter dated January 30, 2025. This is one of the documents that you submitted to the Committee on Justice, correct?
Where's
Okay, I will show you now. May I have this flashed on the screen? Do you recall this document?
January? Yes, sir.
Yes. January 30, 2025 is a date earlier than February 10, 2025,
Again,
correct?
to answer the reverse of the
I can answer,
question.
Your Honor.
Prosecutor, statements were made by the counsel for
the witness being
the
asked,
prosecutor, their
which
Your Honor
conclusions
asked an
are
answer.
fact
First.
and law already,
I mean,
which should be
relevance, Your
taken
Honor.
upon advisement
Relevance.
of the impeachment Counsel, court because these were if the not witness knows evidence, and the counsel for but rather respondent conclusions will and be fact given and the law by latitude to the test counsel the for credibility, prosecutors. accuracy,
Judge P.
and
Cayetano is
completeness of the
recognized.
testimony.
Ma'am, you may proceed. What's your
Of,
question?
the
Thank you,
witness, but we
Mr.
don't.
President. No, I would just like to manifest my support for the statement
October 18, 2024.
Your Honor, we cannot move to strike a manifestation of counsel. The good counsel could do his own manifestation. That's not in the rules.
I would like the honorable court to rule, Your Honor.
Motion is denied. Let it stay and remain in the records in response to the query of Senator Judge Erwin Tulfo. Senator Judge Risa Tiveros is recognized. I believe she was raising her hand earlier. What is your
Salamat po, Mr. Presiding Officer. tig-isang tanong lamang po para sa witness at para sa prosecution.
The lady may proceed. She has 2 minutes.
Salamat, Mr. Presiding Officer. Mr. Kalilong, nung sinabi nyo na nag-conduct kayo ng open source intelligence, pagkatapos nyo ma-authenticate yung November 23, 2024 video, at nahanap nyo yung naman ng press conference dated October 18, 2024, anong basis nyo para sabihin na yung mga statements sa October 18 press conference at ay halintulad sa November 23 video na may assassination threat? In other words po, ano pong napansin yung magkakapareho dun sa statements nung October 18 at nung November 23? O what do they have in common?
Both were, ang tinutukoy po, ang pinupunto po is yung president. And makikita po doon na hindi na sila in good terms no October 18 pa lang po.
Okay, so sa parehong video ng press conference at saka yung November video naman, yung dalawang elementong yon na hindi na sila magkakasundo
Opo.
at
Hindi na sila magkasundo and ang ina-address po ng parang pinapatukuyan po ng Vice President doon sa press conference is yung President
si
po.
Presidente. Okay. And then, Mr. Presiding Officer, salamat kay Mr. Kalilong. Sa prosecution naman po, yung isang tanong ko at this point in time, Mr. Presiding Officer. Well, counsel, none of these statements are proof that the Vice President actually contracted an assassin or hired one. Why are these acts impeachable?
Yes. There is an answer to the question, Your Honor, please. The prosecution is in the process of establishing that the Vice President should be impeached and she is impeached and be removed from office for contracting an assassin to kill the President, Your Honor, please. Inasmuch as we understand